In the third part of the test, the instructor is going to ask you a question. This is not going to be an easy question, and you're going to have to do some quick thinking. Now, just for the sake of practice, I'm going to show you this question. Let's read it together. Some people today say that young people don't show enough respect to elderly people. What do you think about that? I'll give you 10 seconds thinking time, just like the test. Have you thought of your idea? Well, actually, you have two choices. You could agree, or you could disagree. Now, an example of something you could say if you agreed would be, I agree. Most young people don't pay attention to elderly people. Some young people even say rude things to them. That would be a great example if you agreed. An example of something you could say if you disagreed would be, I disagree. Young people often give elderly people their seats on trains. Some young people even help elderly people carry their groceries. Now, those are the Eiken answers that are kind of expected. Did they compare to your answer? Well, if not, you can pause the video right here and, either copy my answer or try again. I wish you luck in your Eiken test. And don't finish here. Keep going. Check out some more of my videos. See you next time.